Hi, Anna.
Hello, Tom. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. What do you do every day?
I wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
That's early. What do you do next?
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 7:30.
What do you do after school?
I go home and do my homework.
What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner at 6:30 with my family.
And what do you do at night?
I watch TV or read a book, then I go to bed at 9.
That sounds like a nice day.
Thank you. What about you, Tom? So, Tom, what do you do on the weekend?
On Saturday, I sleep until 8 o'clock.
Lucky you. I wake up at 7, even on weekends.
Really? What do you do after you wake up?
I help my mom clean the house.
That's nice. I play football with my friends in the morning.
Do you study on the weekend?
Yes, I study English on Sunday afternoon.
Me too. I also go to the market with my dad on Sunday.
That's great. Do you watch movies on the weekend?
Yes, I love movies. I watch one on Saturday night.
Me too. Let's watch a movie together next time.
Good idea.